Thought I'd give you a quick update on the Centenario. Unfortunately, it nipped up the right-hand cylinder, semi-seized. I had to get a car and trailer and get it trailered back home. 3 months at the shop. They replaced pistons, head, barrel, that sort of stuff. Apparently an oil jet was blocked. So yeah, no oil feed to the right hand side. That's all been fixed. I've done about 1500 Ks on the new motor now, about 4000 Ks on the bike all up. Seems to be running pretty good. I've just had it to the dyno shop, basically to check that the motor's good and that I can do a long trip on it without it seizing, that there's no more silicon floating around inside the motor, which would not make me happy. Yeah, so I thought I'd run through a few things that I did on the rapid bike ECU. So yeah, it's got a rapid bike ECU which sits in that tray there. The standard ECU is still there, so this is a piggyback system. Interprets the signal from the main one and makes changes. I took it to Powerhouse at Nerang to do the dyno tuning, and these are the red lines, the new rapid bike ECU with the header pipes, cat delete and drilled out airbox lid. Yeah, you can see there's not a big power difference, but the torque you can feel. It's from 4 grand to, you know, about 6.5. So on the highway in top gear, it's just excellent. Just roll on. It's got more power in top gear rolling on than, you know, when it was stock, you'd have to drop back a gear. So yeah, that's very nice. Hope you can see everything there. So that's a before and after, same dyno, absolutely stock versus with the verex big bore header pipe and the cat delete in there, but I'm running the stock muffler still. Sounds pretty good, as you heard in the other ones. For long trips, I'm always worried if something's going to go wrong and I'm thousands of Ks from home. I relocated the plugs for the O2 sensors. They were in behind here. An absolute nightmare to get to. I had to pull the horn out, you know, pull the, whatever that is, the rec, I suppose, and in behind all of that. So yeah, with the tank off and everything off, I relocated them now so that all of the plugs are under the tank. If the system fails, because it's a piggyback system, you can literally see I can get in here and unplug the piggyback system and plug them directly into the stock setup. I'd have to pull the tank off on the side of the road, but what it would mean is that if the rapid ECU ever had an issue or I had any sort of problem, I can just turn it back to bog stock and hopefully get home on it. So yeah, that's good for me. I had a lot of fun undoing that clip. Sorry about this, I'm not much good with the videos, so can't edit it. So yeah, I bought a set of these pliers, which fuel line connector pliers. In Australia, I got them from Repco. If you've got a welder, I reckon you could weld a couple of nuts on an old set of pliers and do it as well. But yeah, just to make squeezing those sides easy and get it all apart. That's about it. The bike runs great, feels good. Hopefully my motor woes are over. Thank you.